So IONOS is a very interesting company. It offers so many different things that the question arises, are IONOS web hosting plans actually worth your time and money? Well, instead of finding all of that out the hard way, follow me along in this IONOS review and learn the ins and outs of this provider. Let's go! So what the hell is IONOS? And how do you even say it? One and one IONOS, just IONOS, one and one IONOS? Look, I don't even know, I don't really like that name, but that's just my small little rant. Anyway, the provider itself was established in 1988. Wait, 1988? Was there even internet back then? Damn, so I guess it is a bit of a veteran, but years don't automatically mean that IONOS is any good. Now it seems to offer everything related to hosting. Apart from the kitchen sink, you want an SSL certificate. Sure, you need a tool for SEO optimization. Here you go. Maybe you need IONOS WordPress specific plans. Sure. They have everything a small WordPress hosting project or a beginner just starting out might need. But keep in mind that IONOS Website Builder is a separate thing and doesn't come packaged with hosting. But for today, let's focus on their most popular offer, shared hosting. Let's get the wildest part about this provider: pricing. First, cheapest hosting plan here currently goes for around $4 a month and renews at around $6 a month. Very standard pricing since you get a free domain name and even the newest PHP version. Sure, it limits you to around 10 gigabytes of storage, but for a single website, it's enough. So nothing too crazy with this one. But do you see something rather odd? Yeah, you can get the middle tier business plan for a year for just 50 cents a month. No, I didn't edit this page. It's the actual price they want from you. For unlimited websites, unmetered storage space, and bandwidth. This deal is a bit insane and kinda too good to be true, right? Of course, it kinda is. First, do note that you can only buy hosting for a year or a month here. Second, when the honeymoon period is over, the monthly price jumps to $10 a month. That's a 20 times increase. Is this plan worth it even after the increase? Yeah, IONOS shared hosting plans have everything your website will need, but the initial price change can be a bit of a doozy. In contrast, what I really like about IONOS is that they are very transparent about what you're actually buying. You know, those providers that just write better performance with the more expensive plans. Like, what the hell does that even mean? More RAM? More PHP memory? Here you get to see beforehand how many resources you'll be given for each plan. So, if you're looking for a short period of hosting, maybe you don't know if your project or online store will succeed, then IONOS will be the cheapest and safest option to try the waters out. Well, you've seen they offer a lot with their plans, but how easy are these tools to use? First, the website can be a bit confusing, but that doesn't transfer to their control dashboards. This is what you'll be working on. It's a custom control panel that, after just a few minutes, really sticks to you. It's easy to understand, you instinctively know where specific settings are placed, and the dashboard itself is responsive. Installing a brand new WordPress is as easy as 1, 2, 3, just like the process you see on screen. But do keep in mind that personally, I found it a bit lacking when it comes to more complex tasks like cron jobs or PHP editing. It seems to be oriented at beginners, and with prices as they are, yeah, I can see why. Now, if you're a die-hard fan of older control panels like my mortal enemy, the cPanel, then you'll be a bit disappointed since IONOS only uses its custom-built dashboard for everything. But luckily, IONOS dashboard has everything that cPanel has, just a bit more streamlined for beginners, you know, not throwing every option in your face at once. As you can probably tell, I'm leaning towards recommending you to try IONOS. So, if you like what you see, make sure to use those discount links in the description down below to get even better deals. These links are affiliate, meaning while you get a discount, I get a small commission, helping this channel stay online and bring you the best hosting reviews out there. Thanks, and let's get back. What performance can you expect? Well, pretty impressive considering the price and the features you get. Now, I've tested two different aspects: loading time with the default WordPress theme, basically an empty site, and loading times of a completely built website. IONOS managed to load an empty WordPress in less than 1 second. So, okay, that's pretty impressive. But let's try the fully completed website and... okay, it managed to fully load this website in 1.3 seconds. That's nearly 2 times faster than Google's recommended loading time for a website in 2022. The crazy thing is, this loading time can actually be improved compared to, let's say, Hostinger. IONOS' biggest drawback is the time before the first byte. It basically means how long the server took to start loading your site after it receives the request. In Hostinger's case, that's usually 0.1, 0.2 seconds, but with IONOS, this takes nearly half of the loading time, 0.5 or 0.6 seconds. In conclusion, IONOS is really great for users that care about loading times, and there's room for even more improvements, hopefully in the near future. I was also pleasantly surprised by the security suite that comes with each plan. Even the SSL, which is kind of standard by now for every hosting provider, is a bit different here. These are wildcard SSL certificates, really useful when you want to have a project with multiple domains and subdomains. Every plan here also includes DDoS protection, a site scanning tool, and daily, I repeat, daily backups of your content. Yeah, if you want a really decent security package for a laughably small price, check out IONOS hosting plans. Before we wrap this review, you just need to know one thing. We have more reviews, tutorials, and even hosting news on our Cyber News YouTube channel. If you'll subscribe, you'll get the best hosting content there is. Oh, and I also like making new friends, so don't wait for a sign and subscribe. After all is said and done, is IONOS hosting good? Well, yeah. I wasn't expecting to like this provider so much in this IONOS hosting review. Sure, it has some minor problems, including the name, but considering the price IONOS is asking and the performance or even security you get, the shared hosting plans here are a steal. Is IONOS worth it? Yeah, and in the case of that 50-cent a month plan for unlimited sites, I think it's an actual steal. Like some wizardry, but meant to help more beginners to have their own website on the World Wide Web. Wow, that was one hell of a IONOS web hosting review. This provider is an interesting one, to say the least. I could talk and talk about it, or in fact, if you'd like me to do just that, leave a comment down below. I want to make a video that would be really useful to you guys, but first I need to know what you want to see. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching the video till the very end, and I'll see you all very soon.